What if the reason your hair isn't growing back isn't the serum you're using, but the fact that your scalp blocks most of it before it even reaches the follicle? That's exactly what Soren Hair Regrowth claims to solve. Instead of just rubbing a product on your scalp, Soren combines a micro-infusion device with ingredients like copper peptides, Saw Palmetto, Rosemary Extract, Caffeine, and acetyl tetrapeptide 3. The idea is simple: create tiny channels in the scalp so the ingredients can reach deeper where hair follicles actually live. According to the company, users can see less shedding within the first month and fuller-looking hair after 3 to 6 months. They even offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. But here's where things get interesting. The science behind microneedling is real, and studies suggest it may help improve hair growth treatments. However, most of Soren's success stories come from its own website, and there isn't a huge amount of independent evidence proving the dramatic before and after results shown in ads. So, is it a scam? Not necessarily, but it's also not a guaranteed miracle. Think of Soren as a product built around scientifically interesting ingredients and microneedling technology, but one that still needs more independent proof. The real question is, would you spend over $100 to find out? Comment yes or no below and follow for more brutally honest product reviews.